Ever pondered the art of crafting gluten-free bread within the cozy confines of your home kitchen? Well, the secret is simpler than you might think. Imagine a loaf of bread. Light, fluffy, and absolutely gluten-free. The first step to bring this loaf to life is to preheat your oven to 200 degrees with both top and bottom heat. While your oven warms, line your baking tin or tray with some baking paper. Next, gather your ingredients. You'll need gluten-free oat flour, psyllium fiber, and a pinch of salt. Place these in a mixing bowl and stir until they're well combined. You might find a whisk helpful to ensure that the fibers blend seamlessly with the flour. Now it's time to add some flavor and moisture. Pour in some olive oil, your choice of sweetener, such as maple syrup or honey, and warm water. Crack 3 eggs into the mixture, reserving the 4th for later use. Separate the yolk from the white of the 4th egg, adding only the white to your mixture. Keep the yolk aside for now. Next, dissolve baking soda with a splash of apple cider vinegar or lemon juice and add it to your mix. Fold everything together, either using your hands or a stand mixer with a dough hook, until a dough ball forms. Don't worry if it's a bit sticky at this point. Allow your dough to rest for about 10 minutes. You'll notice it becomes easier to knead. At this point, add a handful of gluten-free oatmeal and knead again. For a flavorful twist, mix in half of your optional seeds and sesame seeds. Shape your dough and place it in your prepared baking tin or on your baking tray. Now, remember that egg yolk you set aside earlier. Brush it over the top of your loaf. Sprinkle on some more seeds for an extra crunch. Your loaf is now ready for a tanning treatment in the oven for 40 to 50 minutes. If you notice your bread browning too quickly, simply place some aluminum foil over it to prevent burning. After baking, remove the bread from the oven. Test its readiness by inserting a skewer into the bread. If it comes out dry, your bread is ready. If not, give it an additional 10 minutes in the oven. Let your bread cool outside of the oven. Once it's cooled, it's ready to be enjoyed. So there you have it, the simple, step-by-step process to create your very own gluten-free bread at home. From oat flour to olive oil, psyllium fiber to optional seeds, each ingredient plays a vital role in your bread's texture, taste, and nutritional value. The process might seem lengthy, but the end result is worth every minute spent. So why not give it a try?